I fucked up. Yes, I fucked up. Hold on a second. Let me take my gum out of my mouth. When it comes to digital marketing and affiliate marketing, I'm going to be the first to say I fucked up. And I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to do so you don't land in the same place that I have landed. I started my online journey probably about 2 years ago, and I went through an affiliate marketing course because I had no idea what I had my hands on, and I had no idea what to do. I honestly tossed it to the side and I didn't pay any attention to it. And the other area that I really, truly fucked up my business is I worried about what everybody here on social media was saying. One of the main things that they were saying that stop marketing a course, stop doing what everybody else is doing. I am here to tell you, if you are a beginner and you do not know where to start by marketing the course. You have to learn the skill. When you start digital marketing or affiliate marketing, which are both seriously legit, I totally scaled my business this year to $50,000 because I finally realized what I had my hands on. If you're struggling, guys, start with the course. Get really good. And here's the other area that I fucked up in. I didn't realize that when you market a course, you need software, you need ClickFunnels, or you need System.io. That software you can be an affiliate from. When you come here and you're scrolling on TikTok or social media and people are like, oh my God, I made $20,000 this month, $50,000. It is because of other affiliate programs that they are associated with. Yes, they are pushing a course. Why are they pushing the course? They're a beginner. They had to learn. That's where they started. You've got to start somewhere. You just don't wake up and you know all these skills. No, you've got to go through a flipping course to learn. Then I'm here to tell you, make sure you are an affiliate for the software. Again, it can be System.io, it can be ClickFunnels, because as people say yes to your product, to your opportunity, they are going to need that software. And if you share your unique link with them and they click on it, and then with System.io, they upgrade, that is when your business is going to start scaling. Because when you start getting multiple people saying yes and buying the course from you, then opting into your affiliate link for the software, that is where the reoccurring commission comes in. I didn't know that. Now I know. And so it's kind of like I'm backtracking, which I've known that for a while, but I get so frustrated because a lot of beginners, honestly, even if you haven't started, you're scrolling by an opportunity that is life-changing. And I'm here to let you know. I'm even going to say, guys, I know this is going to sound crazy, but I even have that $7 course that everybody talks about that they say is not legit. It is legit. Quit listening to all those people say, don't take that course. It is legit. There is an upsell. I get it. But I can save you a shit ton of money because I have an amazing course, Lipo Max. It is $297. If you are watching this video prior to December 31st, 2023, it's $297. If you learn the skill, you apply what you learn, and you build out your foundation to your business, and you truly come here sharing and being authentic, you can change your life. It is legit. Quit listening to the people that are saying it's a scam. It doesn't work. It's been around for a very, very long time. Honestly, guys, if you need help, you need assistance, save this video. Email me, info@dspur.com. Grab the course. Start. 2024 is going to hit. That course is going to go up. It's going to be $397. Again, even at $397, it's a game changer for you. All I needed was a cell phone, Wi-Fi. I'm in my car right now doing my business, creating this video. Cell phone, Wi-Fi, laptop, a good mindset, because you got to stay consistent. You got to push through when the roller coaster gets a little crazy, but you can truly scale this, change your life. I am going to hit 6 figures in 2024, and I'm going to quit my healthcare job. If you're ready to join me, go over to my stand store. It's waiting for you. Save this video and let's rock out 2024.